Welcome back. This is the regular YouTube channel. We have another Operation Weather Update. We have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for 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 north central Ohio, northeast Ohio, and northwestern Pennsylvania, includes Crawford and Erie counties until 10 o'clock this evening. Here's the cities we got for this severe thunderstorm watch. Ohio, north central Ohio, they're saying Ashland, Knox, Lorraine, Richland. Northeast Ohio saying Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Geneva Holmes, Lake, Mahogany, Medina, Portridge, Stark Summit, Trumbo, and Wayne counties. That's northeast Ohio. And then northwestern includes Crawford and Erie. And here's the locations we got on there. Includes Akron, Alliance, Ashland, Ashtabula, Aurora, Austintown, Avon Lake, Banbridge, Boardman, Brunswick, Burton, Canton, Chardon, Chesterland, Cleveland, Conneaut, Eastern Lake, Elyria, Erie, Geneva, Kent, Kilbuck, Lorraine, Mansfield, Mazatlan, Meadville, Molina, Manton, Middlefield, Millersburg, Varennes, Niles, North Ridge, Orville, Painesville, Ravenna, Ravana, yep, Rittman, South Russell, Streetsburg, Titusville's in this one, Wadsworth, Warren, Wixlife, Logby, Willowick, Worcester, and Youngstown, all on a severe thunderstorm watch. This is from 2:20 Eastern Time till 10 o'clock Eastern Time tonight. So let's review the forecast for, there's the end of the special weather statement. Yep. Set on the map thing, or the The radar's on there too. Madeville said partly cloudy. I said Madeville said the thunderstorms are done by 8.
Are you 50 or over? Let's talk with some folks about the AARP Auto Insurance Program from the Hartford. Vanessa, did you know that the Hartford has an auto insurance?
Let's take a look at their forecast for tonight. We already said thunderstorms likely. Tonight they're saying thunderstorms early, then showers overnight. Some thunderstorms could be severe.
Did you know that the Buck has the backs of drivers 50 and over? The Buck? Yeah, the Hartford Buck.
Then tomorrow's what's called for showers possible too. We'll check the Greenville, see if you have a severe thunderstorm watch or not. Yep, severe thunderstorm. Erie already know there's a severe thunderstorm watch. I don't know if Pittsburgh's getting any severe thunderstorms. Should. Yep, everybody's under a severe thunderstorm watch.
Hey friend, what if I told you switching to the Hartford could save you money? AARP members who switched to the Hartford saved an average of $507. That's impressive. Well, you should also know 96% of customers recommend the Hartford to friends and family. Wow. Now, friend, you've got friends and family you can tell about. I do. I knew you did. I'm a quick messenger. You're a good driver, too. Well, thank you.
Might have a potential for severe not just special weather statements, but maybe for severe thunderstorm warnings in there too. Everybody's under a severe thunderstorm watch. Until 10 o'clock this evening. Not everybody around Erie, Crawford, Allegheny, Mercer, and other counties in Pennsylvania. And in Ohio, they're saying Ashtabula, Geneva, Trombone, and many more. Yeah. I got a premiere I'm mentioning on the last video. We have a premiere tonight on the regular channel page at 9 o'clock. It's about a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Crawford, Erie, and Ohio counties. So every county here is under a severe thunderstorm watch. It's a good thing the good thing the yeah. Yeah, you can see me right in on the camera. Yeah, you can see that. Alright, we're on for almost 10 minutes, so we're going to get off. Again, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for all of Pennsylvania counties as well as Ohio counties until 10 o'clock this evening. That includes Erie, Crawford, Allegheny, Venango, Mercer, Warren, every county in Pennsylvania under a severe thunderstorm watch till 10 o'clock this evening. Even Ohio includes Ashtabula, Trumbull, excuse me, I can't get the county right, Geneva, and Ashtabula counties. Oh. Yeah. When we ended the Train Expert channel, before we get off for this, we ended the Train Expert channel in the rain today. We're gonna have we're gonna have more videos on there tomorrow, but we don't know if we're getting any trains or this is gonna be a trainless day until Monday. But still, or Friday, depending on the weather, but still, I ended the Train Expert channel, yesterday, or today, excuse me, in the rain. We took one last look at Perry, and it was starting to rain. And then when we got back from Oil City, it was raining. It was just had a brief shower, but that was it, just a brief shower. And then there's some scattered showers around after 4. Yeah. No, you don't see it every day. No. Those showers are supposed to have. Let's review the weather forecast before we close out, before we get off, and we'll see if we have any more weather updates. We'll get back on. If not, we'll be on tomorrow on the Train Expert channel. But I just want to. Let's see what the weather is saying today. Or tonight. Let's review the weather real quick. And then we're pretty much gonna be it for today. For the regular channel page. Here's the forecast. Oh, there's a change here tonight. Thunderstorms. Some could be heavy rain this evening, followed by occasional showers overnight. A few storms may be severe early. Low 60. Winds north-northwest 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. You see the sign right there? Oh, it's too bright. It's too bright. There we go. Sorry. You see the sign right there? It said a few storms may be severe tonight. Yep, a few storms may be severe tonight. And then for tomorrow, they're saying cloudy with showers. High 67. Chance of rain 60%. So, alright, we're going to get off now. Again, one more time, we have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for Pennsylvania counties. Includes Crawford, Erie, Allegheny, Venango, and
We just can't go past the fact that you just won $10,000.
And
That game, you killed speed luck. What was your strategy?
I picked my favorite number, my wife's favorite number, and one of the numbers for my son's birth.
What a fast
And-
play. It just worked out for you. It was so
and
fast.
for Ohio, it includes Ashtabula, Trumbull,
Makes everything a lot easier. My wife told me
and Geneva counties until 10 o'clock this evening. Again, everybody's under a severe thunderstorm watch till 10 o'clock this evening. I mean, everyone.
Congratulations on being quite
Crawford,
Thank you very
Erie,
much. Big round of applause.
Allegheny,
Couple right now.
and more.
Make a deal. That would be y'all. Come on over here.
Plus Ohio, Ashtabula, includes Ashtabula, Trumbull,
Oh, it's all crushed up.
and other counties.
Nice to meet both of you.
So,
How long have you been a couple? 5 years.
the ones on the Allegheny, other side there includes Oil City and Pittsburgh
So it actually works out. You meet someone at a bar.
and Greenville, everything. And then Erie, Crawford includes Erie, and then Meadville, Titusville, all of that. All under that severe thunderstorm watch. Everybody's on there till 10 o'clock this evening. Or something, so. But I'm going to get off. And thanks for joining us here on the regular channel on YouTube. Don't forget, I have a premiere tonight at 7 on the Train Expert channel to close out with the video. And I have a premiere at 9 tonight on the regular channel page for that Operation Weather, for that severe thunderstorm watch from 2 weekends ago. So, but we're going to get off now, and thanks for joining us here, and we'll talk to you guys on the next weather update, if there is one. Either it's a special weather statement or a severe thunderstorm warning. Talk to you later.